Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to try some cornrow on my hair. I've never done this on here before, so follow me as I show you how I'm going to do it. I hope it comes out good. So first of all, my hair is already washed. It's a little bit damp, so I'm going to spray in it another bit of water because some part of it is a little bit dry. Going to go in with this curl cream from Boots. I'm going to use this little bit of comb to kind of part the hair sections. I'm going to put a little bit of Eco Styler gel into the hair to a little bit soften it before I try and braid. I hope I do this one well so that you can see what I'm doing. So I separate this little bit of hair away from the rest and I divide this into 3 parts. That's what I've done right now, 3 strands of hair. And I use my middle finger to push this middle one backward, and then I hold it with these 2 fingers, and then I pull it again, use this middle finger to push this middle one back again. I hold that back again, backward again. I hold that. My hair is not that long, so I'm struggling to hold it, but again I hold this hair, cut here, hold this, hold. I'm dividing the whole of my head into about 6 parts, so this section is even bigger than this one and bigger than this. So let me show you how I do this one. I part a section of it again and I divide this into 3 parts. So there are 3, and I show you how I braid them. So drag this one, my hair, as I said, is very thick, so you might not see the sections that I'm holding well. So I'm still on trying to cornrow my hair. This is how far I've come. My hair is very thick. I have one of those crazy hairs. If you look right into it, it's so crazy to even hold. It's so thick. So here is my cornrow. The monster cornrow you might ever see on the internet is this one. Thank you for watching. I hope my monster cornrow has made your day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, any kind of comment at all about my monster cornrows, and I'll be back to reply you. See you in my next video. Bye.